Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at the song Signs of Fall in Method 4A. And before I get going, I want to tell you what I think is the most important skill that you learn in this exercise. And to me, it's the syncopation that you see going on here in these dotted quarter notes. So let's get started. You're going to start with your pinky on this C, and your right hand is in this F position. And you're just going to kind of do a little scale down. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Now for a brief second, we're going to go out of this 5-finger position, but only with the thumb. So you see how my fingers are on G, A, B, and C, and that's in 5-finger position. But if I move my thumb right here, I can grab this E with my thumb, and then my middle finger's still on this A. So I can just go, and I'm back in 5-finger position now, and my F is ready with my thumb, so when I get to it, right there, it's easy to play. Now this G sharp, I would hit it with your second finger. So just make sure that you actually play with a sharp. And now we get to the little special thing at the end, and I think this is why the song is called Signs of Fall. Basically, you have to make sure that you observe this clef change. You're not going to play an A, which is, if this clef change was in here, it looks like that would be an A on the ledger line. But since this clef change is here, it's telling you to play this C all the way down here. All right, there you go, Signs of Fall. Good luck, have fun.